So let's say we figured out the whole employee classification thing. We're feeling good about it. What's the next step in this employment tax adventure?
Social security numbers, gotta have them. You need to get each employee's social security number and make sure it's recorded accurately. This is essential for filling out Form W-2s correctly, which is how you report wages and taxes to the employee and the Social Security Administration.
Right, those W-2s are like the holy grail of tax season. You can't mess those up. But what about situations where someone's legally allowed to work in the U.S., but they haven't received their Social Security number yet? I know that can happen sometimes.
Yeah, the guide actually addresses that specifically. If an employee has applied for an SSN but hasn't received it yet, there's certain procedures you have to follow. It's really all about documentation, making sure everything is documented properly so you don't run into problems later on. And while we're talking about social security numbers, it's important to remember that individual taxpayer identification numbers, ITINs, those can't be used for employment. They're specifically for people who need to file taxes but aren't eligible for an SSN.
So two different things, two different purposes. Okay, that clears that up.